Hi there, it's Balthazar228. This is a quick follow-up and addendum to the previous video explaining what I tried to explain in the edit on there, because I did not talk about one of the things, or I did talk about one of the things in terms of resizing, but I really did not give an accurate or a well-done explanation of that particular concept. So I'm going to try to explain it here, in part because you can actually see it here. So this is why I mentioned in the description box where I tried to edit it and say that you had these handles. So these are the handles I'm talking about, the ones that allow you to resize everything. These are the 8 handles that I was talking about in that particular video, and what I effectively use to alter that. And when I'm cropping, I'm holding Alt and I'm sliding these in and out. So that's what I was talking about when I was saying you could just hit Alt and crop it and drag it. And I realized I did not make that very clear in that video, so I just wanted to make sure I go over it and show this. The other thing I wanted to show is that when you're changing layers, I'm clicking and dragging here, and you can check this and you can actually see that there's a line, and that line is determining where you're putting it when you drop it. So when you drag it up, you'll see the line for where it's going, and you can drag it up or down, and that determines the order. It puts the top thing on the top layer, and that goes further back and further back and further back. If it's an audio device, it tends to not really matter where it's in the hierarchy, but for visual devices, it's always top layer first all the way down. So important 2 things I thought I'd just follow up in an addendum video. And thanks for taking the time to watch both of these, because it's important to understand the other one. Peace.